The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the WWE Championship. Introducing first, from Cleveland, Ohio, weighing 232 pounds, the WWE Champion, The Miz.
The brash, outspoken, and some might even say arrogant WWE Champion, The Miz, making his way to the ring.
Well, you can say what you want to about The Miz, but he's the defending WWE Champion in the main event of the biggest show of the year.
And introducing the challenger, from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing 240 pounds, John Cena.
74,000 members of the WWE Universe have set an attendance record tonight to see this WWE Championship match, John Cena versus the WWE Champion, The Miz.
Both Miz and Cena are here for one thing and one thing only, the WWE Championship.
John Cena obviously will be the stronger of the two men in this contest. I think Miz has a very high IQ, very intelligent. For Miz to retain his WWE Championship, The Miz will need a great game plan.
Well, the only problem with The Miz is that he's good, but he knows it. And he doesn't mind telling the world how good he is.
Well, The Miz is good, no doubt about it. But so is John Cena, who has risen to the occasion time after time on the grandest stage of them all.
Well, that might be the key, JR. The Miz may be the WWE Champion, but Cena has excelled in this environment. I think it's The Miz who has questions to answer here tonight. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
And that punch lands hard. There's no back down in John Cena has never lost a singles match at any WrestleMania, King. This is Cena's 8th straight WrestleMania main event. Big match experience. This is Miz's 2nd WrestleMania. That can't be discounted.
Well, both of these young men, from the time they were little boys, have dreamed of this moment. And here it is. Look at him unloading with the Dez press. Cena looking for something big.
What a punch. Perfect timing, and what a direct hit. Wow.
Whoa, whoa!
And that's why they call it high risk, folks. And there's a quick kick.
What a clothesline! Ow! Hard kick to the ribs.
Say what you will about The Miz, King, but he's proven that he's a worthy WWE Champion. Behind the flash is a whole hell of a lot of skill.
Well, one thing I have come to learn about The Miz is that he will surprise you. And it looks like he's surprising Cena here tonight.
I think The Miz continues to surprise us all, King. He's come a long way.
That's it. He's done. And that was a big shot that just dropped Cena. Uh-oh, Miz.
He's showing he'll do anything it takes. He takes his opponent down with the drop kick. Cena going for the pin here early. Ouch! Whipped right into that wall. And he strikes with a quick kick.
Don't think I won't count you out.
He's got him hooked. 4. Did you hear how his leg connected?
5.
Oh, what a painful kick.
6.
The Miz likes to call himself the most must-see WWE champion in history. With the way he's handling Cena tonight, I can't say that he's too far off. Rinse and oh my God, he just smashed it.
Miz! And Miz may have delivered a knockout blow. Uh-oh, it might be time to run. Cena countered it. Don't underestimate Miz.
My God almighty, going for the cover. In my opinion, the mark of every great champion in the WWE is that they all have found a way to win. Cena seems on the ropes right now, but do not count out the leader of the C Nation.
Well, the Miz has Cena right where he wants him, but can he finish him? That's the question.
We have to give the Miz credit, King. He has clearly studied John Cena. Watch Cena's matches.
Oh, Cena's looking like he's ready for a sprint here. Here he comes.
Good grief. About 6 feet from us, you can hear the impact of John Cena and that power coming back into play. Cena took the Miz right over the security wall. The referee's got a 10 count to work with. Oh, my God. These two men are outside the secured area. The ref is still counting.
Ladies and gentlemen, both men have been officially counted out. Therefore, this match has been ruled a draw. However, still your WWE champion, The Miz.
This man, the Rock is cooking.
The Rock is the host of WrestleMania, and The Rock says there is no way that WrestleMania is over. The Rock says that this match must restart right now. It is time to give the people what they want.
The WWE title match is going to continue. Cena got a reprieve.
Back into the ring now. He's really going for it now.
The Miz is really feeling the effects of a classic John Cena offense. Cena just never lets up, King. It's so hard to catch your breath and there'll be no countouts. There'll be no disqualifications either. Cena looking for the attitude adjustment. Rock bottom. The rock bottom on John Cena. And remember that there's no disqualification.
Hey, can he do that, JR?
The Rock just rock bottomed the #1 contender for the WWE title.
Can Miz capitalize? Here's a cover.
Here's 2. In my opinion, the mark of every...
Here is your winner, and still WWE Champion, The Miz.
John Cena got the better of The Rock last week on Raw. But The Rock came for retribution here at WrestleMania 27. The Miz, still WWE Champion.
I never thought the match would end like this, JR. Oh, look out! Look out!
The Great One coming back.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go. Reversal by The Miz.
Right to the head.
Rock bottom hits. The smackdown has been laid down. The more punishment he takes, the slower and slower he is getting back to his feet. Oh, lights.
This one is The Rock absolutely owning the WWE Champion here at the closing moments of WrestleMania.
Well, he talked about Team Bring It, and tonight, The Rock brought it.
The Rock said he was coming to Atlanta for retribution, for retaliation. The Rock said this could arguably be the most memorable WrestleMania of all time.